This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying your Ubuntu version and ensuring necessary tools are present. Open Settings, then About, or run LSB release and Terminal to check. Once done, install GNOME tweaks and theme tools so you can change shell, GTK, and icon styles. Use sudo apt install GNOME tweaks GTK theme config. Make sure to download your chosen theme and icons into /downloads and extract them. This places files where tweaks can find them and prevents permission issues later. You now move theme and icon folders into the correct locations so the system recognizes them. Create /. Themes and /. Icons if they don't exist, then mv /downloads /theme folder /. Themes and mv /downloads /icon folder /. Icons. Next, open GNOME tweaks and go to Appearance to select Applications, Shell, and Icons. This applies GTK, shell, and icon changes. If the shell drop-down is missing, enable the user theme extension in Extensions, and then reload GNOME shell by pressing Alt plus F2. You finish by ensuring changes persist. Restart GNOME shell with Alt plus F2 then R or perform a full reboot. Make sure to test different combinations of applications, shell, and icons for consistency. If a theme breaks UI elements, revert immediately in GNOME tweaks or delete the offending theme from /. Themes and /. Icons. Also check file permissions and ownership. Set chmod R755 and appropriate chown so the session can read files. If problems continue, log out and try a fresh login to clear caches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.